Hello, I'm Silver the Hedgehog. We are ready for the next part. Did you notice that the Earth orbited in 365.25 days? How many hours does it take? You may like to use calculators. We now get 8,766 hours. In minutes, multiply by 60. It's 525,960 minutes. That's the 6-digit value. And in seconds, we get 31,557,600 seconds. That's the 8-digit value. I don't believe it how far you can count on it. How many weeks containing in 1 year? 365.25 days divided by 7. We get 52 weeks. You can calibrate your weeks, either Saturday, or Sunday, or Monday. In terms of months, from January to December. Divide 365.25 by 12. We get 30.4375 days. You can convert any possible units of time, from seconds to years. Its ascending order becomes seconds, to minutes, to hours, to days, to weeks, to months, to years. Similarly, one has a largest time unit, called decade, equal to 10 years. So you now know how to convert these units. Let's move on for the next. Earth is made up of 25% land, and 75% water. We will now discuss one by one. Let's start with land. You might have seen why the continents spread across the Earth. Each continent is made up of lands. Previously they were 4 continents, namely Afro-Eurasia, America, Antarctica, and Australia. Soon, there were 2 separate American countries. We get 5 continents, namely North America and South America. Then again separating up to 6 countries, where Afro-Eurasia has divided into 2 parts, Africa and Eurasia. At present, we now have 7 continents, and it's everything separate, namely Africa, Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. The largest continent is Asia, and smallest country is Australia. On the other hand, oceans such as Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, and Southern Oceans. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, and smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. In the next part, we will learn about time zones and languages. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.